In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the form calculation widget in Jotform. Whether you're a seasoned Jotform user or just getting started, this powerful tool can help streamline your form processes and make calculations a breeze. Let's dive in and walk through each step together. First, you'll want to head over to jotform.com and sign in using your credentials. If you're not already registered, you'll need to create an account. Once you're in, locate the My Forms section, which is your main hub for all form building activities. This is where you can manage, edit, and create your forms with ease. Next, open the form you want to work on by going to the Jotform form builder. This intuitive interface is where all of the magic happens, allowing you to design and customize your forms to suit your needs. Now, focus your attention on adding elements by clicking on the Add Element button. It's the plus sign you'll find at the top left corner of your screen. Once you've clicked that, you'll see various options, but what we're interested in are the widgets. Click on the Widgets tab at the top to bring up a range of advanced form functionalities. We're going to search for the Form Calculation widget. It's a robust tool designed to handle calculations right within your forms, saving you time and effort. Having found the Form Calculation widget, select it to add it to your form. A simple editor will appear on the right side of your screen, and this is where you'll build your formula. To open the formula editor, just click on the Form Calculation widget's wand icon. This will let you input the mathematical operations you need, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Plan out your formula, keeping in mind what your form requires, whether it's calculating totals, averages, or any custom calculation. Once you've crafted your formula to perfection, don't forget to hit the Save button at the bottom of the screen. This step ensures all your hard work is safely stored and your form updated. Now here's a bonus tip. Let's say you are managing a product order form. Navigate to that form within the Jotform form builder. If you need to quickly find and highlight specific entries, type into the highlight function. This can make locating specific data points within your form much quicker and more efficient. Finally, after reviewing your settings, select Spreadsheet if you need to organize your data in that format. When you're done and satisfied with everything, simply click Close to finish up. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to effectively use the form calculation widget in Jotform, enhancing both your form's functionality and your own productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy form building!